Public health nurse Katie here. It's a beautiful day. It's really hot outside. School's ending, summer's starting. It's a really great time of year. However, you've probably been hearing a lot on the news lately, a lot about social gatherings increasing in size, probably a lot about the social circles program that's opened up. Shopping centers are opening up, patios are opening. And at the same time, you're probably hearing a lot from public health, where we're telling you to wash your hands, social distance, physical distance, and also to wear your mask, especially if those things are hard. So how do you kind of combine these ideas, right? It's a really weird time to be in. There's a good chance you are being asked to probably visit your friends. You're saying, hey, come out for a barbecue, come play some board games, it'll be really great. And you're kind of put in a spot. You have a choice to make, where on one hand, do you go and hang out with these people, or does that fit in your social circle, and how does that look? We've been really lucky in Sudbury as a whole, and that doesn't mean that we're safe. The virus is still here. The risk is still there, as you guys have seen. You know it. And there's a lot of decisions that we have to be making, not only for ourselves, but for the people that we live with, the people that we may have in our social circles, where, you know what? Maybe you were planning a road trip this summer. I was planning a road trip, and at the end of the day, I had to look at it, and road trip in Canada, and I had to say, you know what, this probably isn't the best time for it, and maybe we'll do something a little bit closer to home. And you're gonna have to make those decisions for yourselves, because with the social circles, you're trusting those other people to also be safe, wash their hands, wear their masks, and to not bring the virus into the circle. But they're kind of also trusting you at the same time. So we do have to be very careful in what choices we're making, because we're not just impacting ourselves now, we're impacting our friends, our family, and our community with every choice that we make. So it's not saying that we don't want you to reconnect, because we really do. We know how important mental health is. We want you to be able to enjoy these things as things seem to be a little bit calmer. But at the end of the day, we want you to be mindful of the actions you're taking and the choices that you're making, because they do impact more than just you. So with that in mind, stay safe, enjoy the weather, get outside, be active, do things that help you feel normal, but do so mindfully, so that we can all get through this together.